Kung katulad mo ako na lagi nasa laptop for work or content creation, this little gadget might change your setup. This is the Keep Time Portable Monitor. Super gaan niya. And look, I'm using it as a second screen for my laptop. Perfect for multitasking, editing, or even watching while working. Pero hindi lang yan. Kung may Samsung tablet ka with DeX mode, pwede mo rin siyang gamiting second monitor kahit wala kang laptop. Ganito lang kadali. Gamit lang USB-C cable, ikabit mo lang yung tablet mo sa Keep Time monitor, then boom, automatic lalabas na ang Samsung DeX. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin pang type ng documents, mag-scroll ng Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or mag-browse ng YouTube. Pero mas malaki ang screen. Hindi lang ito extension monitor, pwede rin itong gamitin as a monitor for game consoles like Nintendo Switch, PS5, and many more. Kaya pa nagta-travel kami ng anak ko, dala namin to so he can play his favorite game on Nintendo Switch. So kung naghahanap ka ng budget-friendly, easy-to-use na portable monitor na super versatile, this Keep Time Portable Monitor is worth checking out.